If you're excited to dive into creating your own doughnut basin, let's explore the crucial steps that will make the process enjoyable. First, gather your essential tools. Having everything ready makes the task much smoother. As you embark on this gardening adventure, remember the importance of selecting the right location for your basin. Opt for an area that sees plenty of sun, as this will benefit your plants immensely. Clearing away any debris like weeds or grass is the next step to ensure that your basin will flourish. With your workspace prepared, it's time to mark the circular shape of your doughnut basin. Using garden stakes and a length of string, measure out about 3 feet in diameter. This will serve as your guide for digging and planting, so ensure that the circle is even and clearly visible. Once you've outlined your desired shape, take a step back and visualize your garden oasis taking form. This is an exciting moment, as you'll soon bring life to the space. Your vision is just about to spring into action. Now it's time to dig into the earth. Carefully remove the soil within your marked circle, keeping the shape intact as you go. Aim for a depth of 8 to 12 inches, allowing enough space for the roots of your chosen plants to grow comfortably. As you dig, keep an eye out for any rocks or roots that could obstruct your progress and set them aside for later use. The anticipation of seeing your doughnut basin take shape builds with every scoop of soil that you remove, transforming the area into a blank canvas for your planting dreams. As the digging progresses, you might find yourself contemplating the central plant that will anchor your doughnut basin. Consider what will thrive in the sunlight and soil you have available, envisioning the vibrant colors and textures that will fill the space. Once you've decided on the perfect central plant, it's time to give it a proper home in the basin. After all the hard work of digging and clearing, this is where the real magic begins. Your plant will soon become the centerpiece of your blossoming garden oasis. After digging your basin, the next exciting step is to think about integrating rocks. Begin collecting smooth, flat stones that you feel will enhance the outer edge of your doughnut basin. Carefully arrange them to create a natural border that not only looks appealing but also helps retain moisture in the soil. This combination of aesthetics and function will elevate the overall design of your garden. As you place each stone, imagine how they will accentuate your central plant and the surrounding greenery, uniting them into a cohesive and harmonious space. Once satisfied with the arrangement, you'll be ready for the next phase, adding landscape fabric to ensure a healthy environment for your plants. Now that the landscape fabric is in place, let's focus on filling the basin with quality soil. Carefully add the planting mix, ensuring you leave the center open for your chosen central plant. This step is vital for creating a nurturing environment where your plants can thrive. As you fill the basin, consider incorporating compost to enrich the soil with vital nutrients. The mixture will provide a strong foundation for your plants, promoting healthy growth and vibrant colors. Once the soil is sufficiently added, gently level it out, readying the space for your gardening masterpiece. With the soil filled and ready, it's time to select your central and surrounding plants. Choose a central plant that harmonizes with your garden's climate, considering options like vibrant sunflowers or delicate lavender. Surround this focal point with a mix of smaller flowers or aromatic herbs to create a layered and visually appealing design. Aim for a variety of heights and colors to attract pollinators and add depth, making your doughnut basin a thriving ecosystem. Once you're satisfied with your selection, it's time to plant, ensuring each root system has the space and freedom to grow. With everything in place, it's essential to thoroughly water the doughnut basin. This crucial step helps settle the soil and establishes a well-hydrated environment for your new plants. Be attentive, as this initial watering can greatly influence their successful growth. After watering, take a moment to admire your work. It's a wonderful achievement. Creating a doughnut basin is a rewarding experience that enhances your garden's beauty and ecology. With attention to detail and the right plants, you'll cultivate a thriving haven. Embrace your creativity and share your gardening success as you join many others in this enriching endeavor. If you liked this video, Subscribe to the gardening channel for more informational and educational videos. Happy gardening awaits!